I welcome you today in Maths online session. Children, today we are going to cover the two topics, that is forming numbers and successor and predecessor. So let us start with the first topic, that is forming numbers. Children, what we are going to learn in forming the numbers? See here. Now we have to form the greatest four-digit number using the digits that are given below. What are the digits? 3, 2, 7 and 1. What we want to do? We have to form the greatest four-digit number. So, you have to go in a descending order, children. Descending order means from biggest to smallest. So, which is the biggest number you think, children, in this? Yes, 7. Then 3. Then 2. And last, that is 1. So it has become a four-digit number, that is 7,321. In this way, we have to form the greatest four-digit number using these digits. Okay, children? Got it? Now, second example we will see of same kind. See now, suppose numbers are given 8, 3, 5, 4. Again, you have to go in a descending order, children. Descending order means biggest to smallest. So, which is the biggest number you think here? 4? No. 8. Then 5. Then 4. And then 3. Yes, children. What this number? How can you read this number? 8,543. So in this way, we have to form the greatest four-digit number using the given digits. Got it, children? So children, we will turn over to form the smallest four-digit number using the digits given below. Which are the digits given? 0, 4, 5 and 9. Just now we have formed four-digit greater number. Now we have to form smallest number from these given digits. We went here with descending order. Now here we have to go with ascending order because we have to form smallest four-digit number. So go with ascending order. See now, which is the smallest number here? 0, 4, 5, 9. This is the way to write the four-digit number, children? No, if you write in this way, you are wrong because you can see here four digits, but this number will not form a four-digit. It will read as 459. So we have to write first 4, then 0, 5, 9. So you can read this number as 4059. Understood, children? Yes, children. Now we will turn to next topic, that is successor and predecessor. As you are small in first, second, third, you say before and after number. In same way, we have to do successor and predecessor. Now see, for example, what would Rohit get if he adds 1 to 4, 3 to 6, means 4,326. Just add and see. 4,326 plus 1. What you will get? 4,327. Next after the number, that is 4,326. If you add 1 in it, you will get the next after number, that is 4327, 4,327. So 4,327 is successor of 4,326. Got it, children? Now second example, children. It is the example of predecessor. What would Rohit get if he subtracts 1 from 4,226? See, children, we will do and see. 4,226 minus 1. What you will get? 4,325, just before one number than 4326. Okay, children? So 4,325 is the predecessor of 4,326. Got it, children? We can do two more examples. See here, 3205 plus 1 is equal to 3206. This is the example of successor. And one more example of predecessor. 2345 minus 1, 2344. This is the example of predecessor. So got it, children? Thank you and have a nice day.